reached the 1,000 subscriber mark. That's awesome. Everybody that's been subscribing, I really appreciate it. It's pretty cool, really. But all those people, you guys are all watching the channel. It took me like 5 years to get to 1,000 subscribers. When I started, it was like 100. You had to have to monetize. I think, I don't remember now. But then they changed it. Like, as soon as I met that threshold, they changed it. And anyway, I just, I'm doing it for me. I'm not really doing it for, well, I don't know. It is what it is. It's kind of strange how you start getting on camera and then you're like, you notice certain mannerisms about yourself. I'm just splitting this cowling because I got to redo the pump that I did for some reason. It's either that pump, the linear pump is bad, or there's a low pressure pump. High pressure pump seems to be working. I don't have a set of, I just got to crack this side so I can get to the oil pump over here. I got to take the oil pump off. Let me get this ladder out of the way. But yeah, it's pretty cool, man, that I've got that many. And of course, I was looking. See that oil pump? I got to get that thing off of there. Just 4 bolts. Get it out of the way so I can get to the pump. What was I saying? It's, I'm trying a new camera setup today to alleviate everything being in the viewfinder. I don't know why I didn't think of this a long time ago the way I'm doing it. That's another thing, like your camera shots and all the stuff you gotta think about. I think it's half inch. Yeah, it is. But yeah, it's interesting. You catch yourself saying certain words like, you know what I mean? Or so. I mean, there's like lots of, I try to edit some stuff, just to make it. I got the battery disconnected, by the way. But yeah, you catch yourself saying certain things. Kind of interesting. So you say I've learned a lot. I think my O-ring up here too is leaking. I'm going to change that out. And this was it was a good pump. Sierra 187817. Yeah, 7817. But yeah, 1,000 subscribers. And then it seems like it's growing too. I've got, so with Longbow, we got a spacer. I don't know if that's all we want or what. That's loose. What else to say? What else to talk about? Got a bunch of stuff we're working on. It's a couple of boats that I've done service before, and then they're at the point where they want to fix some other things. I gotta put a drain plug in that one I just did, which is kind of a pain. I'm gonna set soda out of the way, or I might go get, it'll be okay. Until I get this off. Yeah, so I figured out the fuel pump. It's got two nuts and it'll come right off. It's probably 5/16. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I've got another one of these pumps is why I'm doing this. I guess before I do that I should disconnect these fuel lines. Actually, I'm gonna run that back in. Yeah, so anyway, it's pretty cool. It's interesting. Yeah, I mean, it took a long time to get to that. It was, wrong one. I like my handy tool for, especially hose clamps. Let's take one end out. I got 1/4 inch or 5/16. Ace Hardware's got them. I think it used to be a Craftsman. I've got a couple of them. I've had them for years, but they really are handy. I got about 3 or 4 actually. I got an orange handle ones. I don't know where they came from. I just take some pliers and then I take the hose. Just kind of twist it and then it'll come off. Maybe. I do it slow and easy. I don't want to break that plastic, you know. This is fuel. Might have to get something to plug this line. See what happens. First thing, I'm going to get something to hold this up. I guess I need to go get a bunch of these actually. Just don't find you somewhere. Alright. Simple. Anyway, take it off the fuel line. Yeah, so the channel's never been political or anything like that. It's just me working on motors, doing some other stuff too, you know. It's probably in the way now. Oh, that's quarter. I don't know why I'm doing that. A little loose. Probably should look up what the torque specs for that. Put some Loctite on them. Because I don't think they had any. There's 4 bolts, but you only got to take 2 to get it out. I'm looking all upside down. There's one on it. Yeah, so what? I don't know what to say, man. It's kind of an almost overcasty day. I got that 35 I tore into, and I got a Tiller 20 200 over there. You know, it was a Merc 200, and I was trying to get the lower unit back on it, and it just didn't want to go back on. So I kind of got frustrated and stopped. That's one of the things that has to happen. So now it just pulls down. I think I showed that, or does it pull out? I can't remember. I think it pulls out. Sorry. I'll try to get this out of here. There can be easy. There we go. That was the trick. See how it's got these two O-rings? I think they were failing, but then also, you know, I need to check. I don't think we have our gaskets in the right location. So anyway, I gotta recheck this whole thing. So I guess until next time, we'll see you. Sorry, I just wanted to say thanks. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody.
I